at Big Al's once again. Y'all may have seen from a previous video where Uncle Ed's truck was getting some exhaust work, a whole patch. Now the Mustang is here, getting that exhaust hanger put on. That hole in the mid pipe is being covered and replacing the exhaust hanger. So we won't have that anymore to deal with. There's one more thing, should be ready for inspection. Already got the new glass in earlier today. We just came back from Affordable Auto Glass out in Virginia Beach. And she should be good to go for inspection. The only thing left is to get these bumpers back on. Then do that seat, do those doors in the interior, and try to do that steering wheel. And I basically have a week to do all that. Well, 2 days to work really. I try to do something Sunday and then Tuesday, because I have to work Saturday. So yeah, process is coming along.
Perfect.
These screws right here, and right there, I don't have a stubby Phillips screwdriver, so I'm gonna actually have to take this whole wheel off. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack the car up, remove that wheel, then I can get those screws in. Alright, so those screws are back in, both of them. You can go ahead and put the wheel back on. Now, I'm looking at this, the freshly painted bumper versus the rest of the car that wasn't painted. I'm actually looking at it. Now, of course, there's a little dirt there. We need to wash the car, but actually doesn't look a whole lot different. It's not really noticeable that you got freshly painted bumper up against not freshly painted body panels. So it looks pretty good. Don't think I'll need to do a blend, at least not in this spot. Okay, so it was a bad bulb on that middle second filament on the middle light on the passenger side. So now I got the flashes going, and they are all three of them are sequencing. So good news, it was the bulb and we don't have any other issues.